In this video, we will learn how to use split formula in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have some customer name. You can see here some customer name between the have some comma slash. I want to split this name in B and C column. First name is B column and second name is C column. I just use the formula. Press is equal to write the split. You can see here split formula. Just click on it. Now select the text, comma, double quote. In double quote, you just put the what you want to remove from it. Just I want to remove the delimiter, just comma, I want to remove the slash also available between the name. I just enter slash. Also space also available. So I just enter the space and double quote and bracket close and just enter. That's it. Now drag it formula. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.